Jingïaid tu Dewïong hapok kejela la depet na Shillong Laitlan la ban ong bakadei ka kam ka banom la syu ban Tehlakam bat ka pen suba bakadei ka kam be an ka badon ye Jingïaid bat kibrio ki badan na ka bor hapadeng ka jingsha patha ka commission ka bakmi the retired justice BP kateke bagi bor pulit ki ban toket ye ka Jingïaid tu Dewïong hapok giant hills bat rilom girls badru ka jingti be an hendrei ka ni ka kam ka yai beteng wadru bandan ka Jingïaid hadu hayeng dorbar thawan ka jela hayeng dorbar dang hakani ka tayo nakaliang MLA ubadan nakaliang persya nakaseng Voice of the People Party VPP uba arden mila basoy mat ulakren haga dorbar mangtingka ban pentep ye ka jingdan ki Trok ki bakhi be an Dewïong hanot garhels.
The government also failed to prevent the drainage of our resources in the state of Meghalaya. So, I received an information from Kyrwoh Hills that there has been a rampant illegal transportation of coal. And when I tried to inquire in which district, I was informed that this is taking place in North Kyrwoh Hills. And the information that I received, sir, is that checkpoints installed by the government are allowing illegal passage of trucks, loads numbering 150 to 200 each night. A truck weighing 45 to 46 tons of coal are supplying to Assam without government challenge and royalty. And the person who supplied this information to me also assured that he can even provide a video recording to justify this allegation.
Halor kani ka jingdan ka Jingïaid hayeng dorbar haka pratarek ulber arajar rapsan kiladon kirio pajba kiblami syakmat man pa iki video show Shillong Mail man pensisha bar ka jingdan ka Jingïaid tu Dewïong hanot gar hills ya ka balala ban Ïohi ki photli ki Trok ki bakit bean haringkat ka kit Palat put ban yeng ha ka surok jong ka tega district. Omtang hanot gar hills hendai kila donru ki pajba ban pha ki video ki bana giant hills ki ban pensisha ya ke jingdan ko ga jaka ka ban kenton Dewïong ha ki Trok kumju ka jaka ko pelang Dewïong ubalaket na ki parti Dewïong hapo ka tega district na ki video ki badan la ru ban Ïohi ya ki Trok ki bakit Palat put ki batmu ban kit Dewïong shi ki karkhana na dubilat bat ki bayat ha ka surok ba jong ka east giant hills ka ba kila penthut hadu ya ka yat ka yeng jong ki we ki kali ha ka surok ba
kiri re saja je modi dega sampai district agara krong ini ha bonde ha no pro ini merap.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ye ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Ye ki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed ye ki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. ka nutrition bakam bha ka jingim bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya